Hello everyone, I'm Daverick Fort and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, you get it right. I just woke up. YG released Kill This Love MV teaser of Blackpink in 6 a.m. KST time. My goodness, it's so early here in Asia. It's very early in the morning. Whew. Probably you can see lots of American reactors already reacting to Kill This Love MV teaser of Blackpink. I woke up because my friend called me. Did you see the Kill This Love MV teaser of Blackpink? It's out now. Are you sure it's already out? It's very early in the morning, my goodness. Obviously, the YG is targeting the United States right now because it's early in the evening there. Anyways, I'm okay with it. I am happy that I woke up very early. You can see my table is mess because I didn't prepare at all. Oh, look. Oh. And I just turned on the light there. Okay, then I will just use my phone. Okay. Then my laptop is over there. Okay. Hey, Asians. Raise your hand. Okay, comment down below if you're also an Asian and you woke up very early just to see this MV teaser of Blackpink. Okay, without further ado, let's start this. Okay, wait, I need to get something first. Hey, I have two light sticks. I don't know which one is fake and which one is an official light stick. So much about the drama. Let's start to react now. Turn on. Oh, there's no battery. My goodness, okay. I will just use this. Oh my lord, the thumbnail is Lalisa Manoban. Okay, I'm already dying with the thumbnail. Let's start this. Oh, Lord, please help me. Play. Oh! Trumpets! Oh! 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 No way! Queens! Ow! Oh! Oh! Oh my god, I'm speechless. I'm totally speechless. Okay, replay. Okay. Oh, you can see lots of trumpets there. Oh, and the girls are walking. I love the shooting location. Yes! Push! Okay. No way. Girls, are you okay? There's a sudden bomb at their background. Boom! Okay, replay. Okay, I don't know what to say right now. Okay, they are walking. At where? Okay. Ah! Okay, there's an explosion. Explosion are everywhere. ROC. Again. You look. Oh! Jen is so pretty. Oh! Jisoo too. Ah! Everyone. Lisa is pretty too. Ah! They are so gorgeous. Okay. Huh? I am really shocked with that explosion at the background. Oh my lord. Push, 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 push. Okay. One more time, guys. I am sorry. This is gonna be an epic, huge comeback. Okay. Let's go, right? No. Let's go kill this love, right? Oh! There are so many broken things there. Let's go. Let's kill this love. Let's kill this love. Oh! Kill me with your love, queens. One more time. Okay, I know you are now annoyed. Tug, 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 tug. Ah, Johnny! Rosie! Jisoo! My bias, Lisa. Lisa! Ah! I love their makeup. Oh! They're so gorgeous. Okay. Oh my god. I didn't see that coming, that explosion. Whew. Okay, obviously, this is gonna be a huge, epic comeback. And as what YG proclaimed to the press, to all of us, that this Kill This Love track of Blackpink is a huge one. It's more intense compared to their Do 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 track. And you already know Do 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 is a big hit all around the world. So this is gonna be an epic. Okay. Queens, Kill This Love. Kill you. What I'm talking about right now. I am so hungry right now after I saw that. Okay. The queens will gonna spread their love to us this coming April 5, and we'll be all killed with this amazing production of their Kill This Love MV. Okay, what are your thoughts regarding this Kill This Love MV teaser? Let me know in the comment section. I think that will be all for now. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling dizzy. Okay, I hope that you love my reaction. If you love my reaction, please like this video, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button now, because I do lots of Blackpink reactions here. And see you on my next reaction to Blackpink. See you on my next reaction to Blackpink Kill This Love MV. Woo! Annyeong. Okay. Blackpink, 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 Blackpink.